Hey your planticos, watch how I grow tons of aloe vera using a rare aloe vera flower. Simple, natural and super easy. Most of the people miss this secret when aloe vera flowers bloom. They don't collect the seeds. Those tiny seeds can grow new aloe plants, but they are often wasted without knowing their real value. Clean and soak aloe vera seeds with warm water first. When the flowers dry, collect the seeds and place them on a tissue paper to gently remove all dry flower spot. After cleaning, soak the seeds in a warm water for a few hours to activate them and improve germination. After cleaning the aloe seeds properly, put them in a plastic pouch and let them dry for about 1 month. Once dried, they are ready to plant and grow into a healthy aloe vera plants. So we are using a perfect soil mix, 50% compost and 20% river sand, making it light and well draining. Sow the seeds about 1 to 4 inch deep and water gently. Keep the soil slightly moist, never soggy. Give them sunlight and care, and in just 3 months, you have a beautiful, healthy aloe vera plant ready to thrive.